Hey, this is Amity with another quick tip for Kingsoft Office for Windows.
In this Kingsoft Office Quick Tip, I'm going to show you how to use custom animations in Kingsoft Presentation. To start, come up to your toolbar and select Animation. Then come here to Custom Animation. Now, select the object you'd like to animate. Come over to Add Effects, and then choose what you want to do with the object. I'm going to add a cool effect to this photo when we open the slide. If you are not satisfied with the effect, you can always remove it and start again. For the text, I'm going to add a custom motion path. Alright, let's see our slide in action.